Suma group, we will present about buying instant herbal medicine. Member of our group exists. I am Fatihatu. He is Gangga Arta. She is Eriwidya Fitrianingsih. Hello, Ga.
Oh, hi, Itza.
What do you cook, Ga?
Yes, I have been cooking for a few days and my throat feels itchy.
Have you taken any medication?
I don't want to take too many chemicals.
Oh yeah, I remember. I have a friend who has herbal medicine. Maybe she can help.
Then let's meet her.
Hello, Eri.
Hi Etza,
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Welcome to meet you.
He is my friend. His name is Gangga.
Gangga.
Eric.
Is our arrival disturbing?
Of course not.
Thank God. If it doesn't interfere, can you help us?
Of course I can.
Gangga is having a cold and his throat feels itchy. Do you have herbal medicine?
I have instant herbal medicine. Wait a minute. Please sit down
Okay.
first. This is cream. Please drink it. How does it feel?
Very delicious.
If you can know what herbal medicine is made from,
This herb is microphone, ginger and antidote.
but the function of ginger in the throat related to herbal.
Ginger samples the bread and itchy wound. With control to bread form.
Besides, what are the ginger in the throat related to make instant herb?
Curcuma and turmeric.
What is the function of curcuma and turmeric?
Curcuma serves to give smart contact and turmeric to increase anxiety.
It's ruled out that there are many plants that can to make instant herb.
Apparently, the drug does not have to be made of chemicals. We can also use plants to be used as medicine.
Yes, we better start medicine there. Armada from herb because they are natural and someone.
Yes, that is true.
To make this herbal medicine, what tools and materials are needed?
The tools needed are picasso, tablet, ginger and pen. With the ingredients needed are water, ginger, consul and gravida sugar.
What are the rules for drinking this herbal medicine in a day?
Even the closer feelings, this herb can be consumed as often as possible.
Can we healthy this herbal medicine in healthy conditions?
Yes, this my belief we can consume this herbal medicine as a supplement.
It's ruled out that this was very safe for consumption.
With this herbal medicine, we can reduce the use of drug medical chemicals.
Yes, that is true.
How does it feel after drinking this herbal medicine?
It feels better and my throat is not itchy.
Thank God for that.
Apparently, it was right.
Oh yeah.
This run of the times is running so fast.
Then, I want to say goodbye first.
Then I also said goodbye, Air.
Oh yeah, please drink it.
What is this?
This is instant herbal medicine.
No need to bother.
It's okay.
Then, we go home first.
Take care on the way.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Eri. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Asa. Be careful.
Please bring
Okay, thank you. Thanks for today. It's
Yes, you're welcome.
goodbye.
Goodbye.